Math. It's a subject many kids struggle with, and then the parents, of course, struggle right along with them when it comes to homework. Well, it doesn't have to be that way. This is Nate Evans, a Mathnasium Center Director, and owner Rick Davis, here to tell us how they can help. You're waving the SOS flag. Hello, gentlemen. Great to see you. So what is Mathnasium?
Mathnasium is a math learning center where we specialize in helping kids with math, ages grades 2nd all the way up through calculus.
And so this is a custom-made plan, because a lot of kids, I'm sure, who come to see you, they're at different levels when they get there. So how do you make sure that a student is getting his or her needs met?
Absolutely. We start them off with an assessment, and that assessment's going to be personalized to them. So we find out where their gaps are and what they struggle with, and we're going to build them a learning plan just for their needs.
So why does it seem so many kids stress out when it comes to math? Why is that such a difficult subject for so many students?
I think it's just frustrating.
Yeah.
They run into problems and they try it for so long, and then they just get to the point where they don't even want to try anymore. They've ran into so many walls.
And when you're a parent, we don't want to see our little ones
of course
struggling with any subject.
Of course not.
And then we get anxiety as well because
absolutely.
they're stressing out. So this isn't a tutoring center. I mean, this is a place where you really are helping kids get that light bulb on.
Absolutely, yeah. We want to build confidence. We want to see them improve, not just with their homework, but with the things that they've been struggling with in the past, so that we can build them up and get them caught back up to where they need to go.
And that's what it's all about. You don't want that lag to keep continuing, because then your student falls farther and farther behind. Okay, I'm going to have you do a switcheroo,
Okay.
Rick. I've been sweating this. They always bring examples to show us how they can help students. So what are you going to show us today?
Well, one of the most difficult concepts kids have when they start high school getting into algebra is dealing with fractions. They just don't understand fractions. So today we're going to talk about something we call the law of sameness, which helps to understand and deal with fractions. We start with an apple and a banana, and if I ask you if you have an apple and a banana, what do you have if you add them together? What you don't have is a banapple. But what you do have, what do you have?
Fruit.
You have fruit. So if we just change the name of an apple and a banana to a common name,
okay,
we have fruit. So the denominator is simply a name, and in order to add fractions that don't have a common name, we need to change the name so that we have something in common.
Okay.
So what 2 and 3 have in common, this is where you start talking about multiples.
Okay.
What 2 and 3 have in common is they both go into 6.
Right.
So if I want to change that to 6, they need to change the quantity. So we have the quantity over the name.
Mm-hmm.
I just need to change the quantity so it still represents a half.
Mm-hmm.
And 1/2 in terms of sixths is 3. So we change this to 3/6, and I'm right-handed, so I won't write it down, but we change that to 3/6.
Okay.
Similarly, with a third, we're going to change that name. We have 2 of those, and if we change the name to a 6, so we have 2/6. We can easily add 3/6 and 2/6, and now we have 5/6.
5/6.
Yeah.
Wow. So again, coming together to find the common denominator
Right.
is all about just finding something that is the same. The law of sameness.
Right.
You guys always blow our minds with the different examples. Thank you so much. We appreciate that. A little tutorial for you out there. And we do have a special offer. If you have a student who is struggling in math, or maybe you're getting a little frustrated with how they are dealing with homework, you can get an assessment and 2 one-hour sessions for just $39. They have 12 value locations. To find the Mathnasium nearest you, go to mathnasium.com.